welcome back to my channel. And I know this is going to be a very different video from what you guys are used to here on my channel, but I feel like this is a video that has been requested so much. This is a little bit scary for me to talk about because it is something very personal and something that is a lot of people don't share. So if you guys do follow me on my social media, this video has been requested so much, and it's about my weight loss journey. I didn't want to upload this video without me not being knowledgeable until I was happy where I was, and you know, just so many things were in my head, and I feel like I'm finally ready to speak about it. Before I begin the video, I do want to mention that I am not whatsoever a trainer. I don't really, like, I know what I'm talking about, but I really don't know what I'm talking about. Like, I know there's going to be so many smart people coming in here trying to talk down on me on what I did and what I'm doing is wrong. Like, I don't want to hear it. I'm just saying this is what I did, and I'm just sharing to you guys my VIXXIES, what I'm doing and what I did to lose weight, because you guys are really interesting. So I am not a trainer, I am not a professional, so bear with me. So if you guys follow me on my other social media platforms, you guys know that I did lose a lot of weight, and I am a very short girl. I'm actually 5 feet tall, so the weight packs on me like crazy. So maybe, you know, 50 pounds is not a lot overweight, but for somebody as short as me, 50 pounds can equal like 100 pounds, like on an average kind of person. So I did lose a lot of weight. I started my weight loss journey in September of 2016. I took my first picture of my weight loss journey at the gym, so I will be posting on how I used to look right here. I cannot believe I'm going to be showing you guys these pictures and talking about this. Like, this is long overdue, but here we go. So I feel like the reason why I'm posting this video is because you guys have been requesting it. I feel like a lot of you guys are going to be able to relate to my story or my body type or what I went through. I gained a lot of weight because obviously I was eating like trash. I was going out and eating junk food every single day of my life. I weighed over 180 pounds was my highest. And I'm a 5 foot girl. Like, that is too much. Like, I should be weighing around 110 to 125. So that's a lot. And if you guys go back on my channel, you guys will be able to see how my face used to look. Like, I will be posting also pictures of that. Like, my face was huge. Like, I had a huge face. I'm gonna be talking to you guys a little bit about what I did to lose weight and all the battles that I had to go through to get to where I am now. So I started my weight loss journey in September 2016. I feel like I was at a breaking point where I was so unhappy with the way I looked. I couldn't wear anything without it looking like a grandma. Like, I just looked so not cute. I wasn't fashionable. I didn't have a sense of style because everything that I would wear just didn't look right on me. Like, it didn't look good. And I feel like I came to a breaking point where I was like, I'm tired of seeing myself like that. So I started going to the gym. I want to give you guys a little bit advice on a little bit of everything that I did. So I started going to the gym 5 times a week. So I was going Monday through Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday I was taking off. But when I first started the gym, it was obviously really hard for me to, you know, get into it because I was so unfit. Like, I couldn't handle myself doing the treadmill or doing the Stairmaster more than 8 minutes. Like, I was exhausted. So I started going to the gym, and all I thought I had to do to lose weight was cardio because I just wanted to lose fat. So I never wanted to weight train or do anything with weights because I didn't want to build muscle and look fat. So the only thing I was doing was going to the gym 5 times a week and only doing the Stairmaster or the treadmill. That was it. And that is the worst mistake that I possibly could have done, because when I was doing that, I literally killed myself at the gym for a whole month, and I only lost like 5 pounds. In a month, with all the things that I was doing, I could have lost so much more weight, but I wasn't losing it because I wasn't doing the proper exercises. So I got so discouraged. I stopped going to the gym because I was like, okay, well, all this hard work and is not doing anything to my body whatsoever. I felt so down, and then I started researching. I was like, what do I have to do? Like, what am I doing wrong? I'm going so hard. I was going for like an hour only doing cardio and it wasn't working. So I started researching and I was doing it the wrong way. So what has worked for me as of now was when I started working out only 20 minutes of cardio, and then the rest of my time was weightlifting. Like I said in the beginning, I didn't want to do any weights whatsoever because I thought that obviously doing weights, it's going to build muscle, and I didn't want to look fat and buff. But the mentality of an ignorant person, that's what I was thinking. So that's what I do now. I do only 20 minutes of cardio, and then the rest is weight training, because what weightlifting does and building muscle is muscle burns fat. So every time I wanted to target an area in my body, which let's say it was my arms or my stomach or my legs, like I wanted to look overall slim, I was working out those muscles and it was burning my fat. And after I started doing weightlifting, my body weight started going downhill like super fast, and I was so happy because it does not only burn your fat, but it tones you and it makes you look so good. So even though I was losing weight slowly, because it took me over a year to lose around 45 to 50 pounds, it was really slow, but at the same time, even though I was losing that slowly, I was building muscle and toning my body. So that made the biggest difference overall. So I really do encourage you guys to do a little bit of weightlifting, and also don't leave behind your cardio, but I only recommend about 20 to 30 minutes cardio, and then the rest of the time you can be, working out those muscles. So I'm trying to do some workout routine videos on my Snapchat because you guys have been requesting them. You guys want to know what I'm doing. I know that it's very stressful going into the gym and not knowing what to do, but to be honest with you guys, something that helped me out so much was Instagram videos. I feel like that's where I got all my inspiration from. That's where I was able to kind of learn how to do exercises. So I will be leaving the name of an Instagram page right here that helped me out so much. Another thing that I feel like is really important for you guys is to do the exercises properly, because if you're not doing them properly, it could mess up your body. You can hurt yourself, and it cannot even do anything for your body. So you guys need to make sure to always pay attention to the posture, the way that the exercises are being done. Also, something very important to remember as a woman is that less is more. I know that once we step into the gym, we want to be like, oh, we're so strong, let's go for that 100-pound dumbbell, but definitely not, you guys. Less is more, because the weight is very important, but also the way you're flexing your muscle while you're doing it is even more important. I feel like I can go on and on and on and talking about exercising and the techniques and everything that I do, but I feel like I would rather show you guys in an exercise workout videos. But for now, I just want to talk about what I did to lose weight. So that's what I was doing. I was only doing 20-minute cardio. Then the rest of the time was weightlifting. Another thing that I was doing wrong was when I first started doing the weightlifting process, I was focusing only on doing like legs, because I wanted my butt to be big and I wanted my legs to be firm. So all I was doing was leg day, leg day, leg day, leg day every single day. So that is also a very wrong thing to do while you're working out, because you're not letting your muscle recuperate and grow, because you're always, pushing it, so it's not growing. And another thing is you want to be switching up your routines constantly, because if you have the same routine all the time, your muscles are so smart. They will remember what you did the next day and the next day, and they will just be prepared for the exercise you're going to do, and they're just not going to grow, and they're not going to work out the way they're supposed to. So what I was doing was splitting my days into leg day, arm day, shoulder day, back day. You get the point. So I really recommend you guys writing down, like, today is going to be leg day, tomorrow arm day, so you guys are able to get a schedule on. Now we're going to jump on to the diet part of what happened to me, what I did. And I feel like I could talk about more of exercise than diet, because I really didn't do a diet whatsoever. And I feel like my progress could have been a lot faster and a lot better if I did do a diet, but unfortunately I did not, and I don't plan on going on any diet at all, because I feel like if I'm trying to make a life change and I'm trying to make a, forever life change. I want to do something that is going to keep me happy. And I know that leaving most of the foods that I'm not supposed to be eating would not make me happy. And I want to keep it for a long term. I don't want to just be on a diet for like 3 months and then start eating like shit again. Like, I want to be able to eat what I want for the rest of my life. And this is where I do not encourage you guys to do what I did. But so all I did for the dieting part was just cut down my portion size in food. I was eating like triple the amount of food that I was supposed to be eating, so I completely made them small portions because that's what I was supposed to be eating. So I just cut down my portion size. I was still eating a lot of the things that I loved. Of course, I let go of the fast food, no more hamburgers, only once in a while and stuff like that, but I was just doing smaller portions of food. Something that I did cut off completely was soda and all sugar drinks. Like, I was not drinking any juices, nothing, nada. I was only drinking only water, and that alone, like in a month, will drop you like 10 pounds. Like, no soda, no sugar drinks, and that was like amazing. Only my pink drink. I did not let go of my pink drink. But at the same time, this is not that bad because this is an acai drink, which acai berry, if you guys know, is really good for your metabolism. It speeds it up and it's really good for you. I know this drink is not that great for you, but this was my only exception because it would make me like run to the bathroom. I know my dieting plan is not the greatest, but to be honest with you guys, that's what I did, and that's what I'm gonna keep on doing. I'm not gonna let go of any of the foods that I want because I'm Mexican. I love tortillas, I love bread, so I'm not gonna let go of any of that stuff. Like, I wanna make it a lifestyle. I'm just gonna be, you know, eating a little bit less and smaller portions. So that's why I could tell you guys I focused a little bit more on the exercise than I did on the food. I do hear that exercise is only like 30% of your weight loss, but I can honestly say, like, it did so much more than 30% for me. I really do encourage you guys, if you are unhappy with your body, to go to the gym, work out. Just, you know, the first 2 weeks is the hardest to get yourself to the gym. But once you're there and once you get motivated, like, once you start seeing results, you're going to be so motivated. You're going to want to keep going and never stop. Just, I promise you that the first 2 weeks are just the hardest, and then you're going to become addicted and you're going to love it so much. I know something that will help you guys out so much when working out in the beginning is if you go with someone, because a workout buddy helps a lot. But I really do feel that if you can get yourself to the gym by yourself and work out by yourself, that is the greatest accomplishment that you can do. I feel like in the beginning, I always wanted to have somebody there working out with me. But so recently, not too long ago, I started going to the gym by myself, and I cannot even express to you guys how accomplished one feels when you just go by yourself, because you feel like you're not there relying on somebody to go there. You're not giving excuses on why you can't go that day. Sometimes I wouldn't even have access to a car to get myself to the gym, and my gym isn't too far from me, so I would just literally get up and walk there. Like, before, I would just give an excuse of like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna wait for my sister to get home from school or from work and then I can go to the gym. But then I would get lazy and I didn't want to go anymore. No. Like, I would get myself up and walk my ass to the gym. The only thing that will suck is that I would have to walk back. And then once you know, when you get out from the gym, you're just so exhausted, but that's what I had to do. Another thing that I do encourage is for you guys to take pictures. Pictures are really, really important in showing your progress. Sometimes on myself, I'm like, I haven't even changed. I look the same. I'm still fat. I still am a little bit overweight, but we can work through it. But pictures really do help, because I like to look back and be like, wow, like, I cannot believe that's how I used to be. Like, I cannot believe I'm about to show you guys how I used to look. I would never post my body on Instagram. I would never post my body on Snapchat. And now it's just like, you feel so accomplished, like you just want to show it off. But yeah, you guys, I'm really, really happy that I'm able to share this journey with you guys. I know that I never really talked about it on YouTube, but for my Snap fam, they have been there since day one when I started going to the gym. I really do want to encourage you guys to, you know, do this for yourself if you're not happy. And also, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for pushing me. I know you guys don't feel it, but I am so grateful to have you guys. My Snap fam would always tell me like, you motivate me to go to the gym and all this like beautiful stuff, but in reality you guys keep me motivated because you tell me that I'm an inspiration for you, and I don't want to let you down. I want to push myself as much as I can, and I want to get to my goal. I know in the beginning when you're first starting your journey, it may feel like impossible and it feels like it's gonna take forever, but trust me, 3 months from now, only three is not even a long time, 3 months from now, you will thank yourself that you kept going. I know that this video isn't too informative on exercising and dieting, but I just want to share that this is what I did and this is what worked for me. And I know, like I said, I was jumping all over the place. It's just, this is a hard topic for me to talk about because I'm not too knowledgeable. I'm just letting you guys know what worked for me, and I know there's going to be like a million of people like attacking me and telling me like I'm doing everything wrong, but that's what I did. And to be honest with you guys, like the gym changed my life and I'm gonna keep going. I want to, you know, build more muscle. I want to slim down a little bit more, tone up a little bit more. So just never stop until you're happy. I want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart again for supporting me and inspiring me every day and motivating me every day to keep going to the gym. I love you so much. And to all the new people that are here joining me for the first time on my channel is about makeup and beauty hacks, so it's not too much about fitness. But I am going to try my best to upload a little bit more on my workouts because I know that could help a little bit more. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and please like give me a like for all the pictures that I just shared with you guys. If you want to be more in contact with me or you have any questions, you can follow me on my social media. I have Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I will leave those down below for you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.